We could say goodbye, smell you later.
I shall be
Of
the
course,
outcast.
of course you want that shit.
I shall dance on it for extra luck.
Put it on new water.
Damn.
Yes.
First you wanted that.
Of course I wanted that one, God. We still friends.
Raid
Yeah.
hour. For the next hour, number of raids will sharply increase.
What?
Pokemon Go.
Oh.
6 o'clock every day.
I don't have anything close to me to claim, so it's sad, so.
I don't have raids near me, technically.
Huh?
As I don't really have raids next to me.
Yeah, but you got a remote pass, don't you? I used mine today.
Should. Are those even still a thing?
Yeah, remote raids.
There's a
Or
Skeether.
remote raid pass. Something like
Okay. You know, you don't have to give me items, I guess. That's cool. I didn't want them. Secret.
Look how Chill got that.
Yes. Against you.
Basement. I've been at the basement. I've been at the basement.
Okay, wow. I got a
What?
tier 2 Sona off the
Starter
start.
kit. You know I'm grabbing starter kit. Like, what's up with that? Oh, wow.
Ooh, I could do a cursed crown start.
Dalton. Hey, yo.
Cursed crown start, maybe? Yeah, fuck it. Good luck to everybody else.
Good luck, everybody else.
Everybody else.
You like my team so far? Starter kit actually came in clutch right there.
Yeah. I need a Garen.
Going Deadeye.
5 Demacia.
What are you going? Just so I know.
Yes.
With the build.
Looking like probably Demacia multicaster. I have a tier 2 Sona off the start because they just gave me. I got one item. I got a bow.
Nice.
I went Cursed Crown, so I'm already at 7 people. Okay, 6 people right now.
Is Jin a good carry?
I mean, he was my carry that last time. He go crazy.
I feel like that's only because of the augment you had.
No. If I have that augment, I do pick him especially because it scales well with him, but he slaps.
Mic stand, please.
And the early, yes, bro. This is gonna be a great game.
Where do you go? Fucking Rage Blade, fucking
No. Me personally,
That's
I
not
see people
what I
go
meant.
it, but I go.
Giant Slayer, fucking IE, fucking Last Whisper, maybe? I don't know.
I mean, that's not bad. It really just depends on what you want. Last Whisper and IE are staples, and then you can either, if you want, you can Rage Blade, Death Blade, Giant Slayer, or like the 3 interchangeables, depending on what you want.
He has lucky gloves.
The question is he feeling lucky? Don't seem too lucky.
Damn, what just happened to his team?
Yes. I'm here, Mudkip.
No, Mudkip.
You shall be mine.
What'd you go? What'd you build when you went that gen build?
My one right there?
Yeah, what'd you go? Just full Deadeye? Or
Yeah, 4 Deadeye, 6 Ionia. If I'm going Jin, you definitely want Ionia because buffs his
That's true.
attack damage.
Yeah. Pick myself. Break myself. Break myself. At all. At all. At all. Maybe after this game, I make dinner. So I eat earlier in the day.
I am hoping, honestly, for a lot of things.
With that crit bus, I get Last Whisper.
The tier.
He's gonna grab that. That's actually cringe. It's fine. I'll just take the Ash for Deadeye and put a Gargoyles on somebody. Probably, Wow, I literally just need a tier 2 gen. Holy.
Faster if I wanted. Could get away with it.
So I have that for now, buddy. No, 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 no. Wow, Dalton, look at that pull. Holy shit, 2% Shen is crazy. What's up, kitty?
Still need one more Demacia. And a level.
Nobody move. There's blood on the floor.
More multicaster
Yo,
already.
this
Quite
motherfucker
nice.
has Wandering Trainer, Gaining Dummy, fucking Training Dummy with 3 random emblems equipped.
Oh yeah, no, that one's nice.
That's crazy. Does it stay those random? Does it stay those, or does it switch?
Nope, stays those.
Wow, really?
Yep.
That's insanity. Imagine it gives you Gunners on and then like Juggernaut.
Yeah, something crazy.
That would be insane. Roll a little bit. Try to get my Ione online.
All 5-star raids, so sad. Not too alone. Why did I do that?
Why are you staring at me? Am I just that attractive?
Sweet.
Huh? Am I that attractive that you just stare at me all the time? Huh?
No, she's probably just hungry.
You're pretty. Nah, I keep her food bowl full. She just eats whenever she wants to eat.
That's bad. No, it is.
It's only bad if she can't control herself.
Let's be honest, she can't.
She eats on her own time. Whenever she's hungry, she'll eat and then she'll leave. Ain't that right, princess?
Get from these boys.
Kitty! Come here! Reach your paw out! Reach your paw out! Reach your paw out! Come and get me! Come and get me! Reach your paw! Reach your paw out! Ah! You got me! You got me! You got me! You're so cute. I love you. I love you. Stop trying to pull my hand. What's wrong with her, bro? She's a psychopath. You lucky I love you. Because I'll kiss you on your forehead. I just got a random. Oh, never mind. That's my augment. I was like, I just got a random ass ergot. Excuse me. I mean to be coughing in the mic like that.
He does.
Where's my tier 2 motherfucking at?
Good question.
You going Demacia? What are you going?
Demacia multicaster.
Let me build you Sona. That's your carry.
It It is my carry, yes. She carrying me a long time.
I got my 4 Deadeye, which is nice. Come and save me, come and save me, come and save me, come and save me. From that Katarina. She's very mean.
She's gone.
She's dead as hell. Dummy. Dummy stupid head. Dummy poo-poo head. What's our second augment? Full prismatic game. Fuck.
Haters when you're till 9.
Young, wild, and free. You can always move around freely on carousel rounds.
Yep. Means you go out
Since
before
we're
even
first
the
place?
first people.
Even since we're first place, that's Loki a cup, right?
It is fire.
That's what I'm saying, gang.
There we go.
I got
Level
Sona for you.
7 with nice. Definitely want to
Yeah,
get
one
Jarvan. Jarvan over her. Him. Nice. What we hope for.
I don't have any items on my carry yet. I don't have any good items, so hopefully this helps me.
Hopefully. And you guaranteed to get the item or person you need.
Huh?
You guaranteed to get the item or person you need.
That is true. I need you.
I'm here. I'm fighting for my Mr. 100.
Why'd you say it, bro? Since you said it, now we're not getting it. Fucking idiot.
I always get it. Get what I want, and I want what I get.
Why don't you have me then?
Don't want you. You know, it's 'cause-
Yo, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. I this out when I need
It
that.
is. But I don't want you. I need you. Your team fucking
Right.
sucks. Why do you always put Aurelia in your
I'm
back?
so glad I did. Holy shit, I'm cracked.
Hmm?
Huh?
I said, why do you always put Aurelia in your back line?
I don't know, because I think she's like... I don't know, bro. She's just there.
Yeah,
She'll be taken out.
She is just there.
I'm about to take her out and give
Take her out where? I know a nice Italian place.
Italian actually cringes me out. That makes me want to kill myself.
Why?
In game, of course.
Why don't you like Italian?
I like Italian. I don't like Italian though.
Why not?
I don't know who I want or who I need. I need a crit glove.
I need a rod. Needlessly large rod.
I should grab the Gwens for more money. What am I doing?
True. Troll. Who is this 5-star raid? Let's see. Oh, you're that one. You're the newer generation, the Echo Space one. Nihiligo.
What'd you call me?
Nihiligo.
Nah, nigga, go. Is that what you said?
Nihiligo. Spatula.
Nah, you said nah, nigga, go.
Okay. This is supposed to be a video.
I can say that word. I'm black. Go ahead and read those off to me.
Spatula, Thieves Glove, tier 4, 2 tier 3s.
Give me a thievy weevy. Now, who do I put this on? A set, maybe?
She's built. Need to try to level up to 7. That's where we want to sit and reroll.
Ah, tier 3 Renekton. Nice.
Maybe go 7 this game. Have the room.
Sick. Shit, Ashkin.
First crown start goes crazy.
Well, you got Crush Crown start?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, that's correct.
Is carrying me right now.
2 training dummies, component anvil, tier 4 champ, 3 tier 2s.
Just component.
Okay.
Here? No tier. Deck Shiv on that. Cloak. 36 to level. Gonna do that soon after Wolves if I wanted. Not really too much to put in yet though. Just wait. So good positioning for our Sona. She got the angles. That's one thing you want to watch out for. Make sure your diagonal is good. Luckily, most people put them in this corner, so we haven't had to pay too much attention. We'll see in the late game when they start paying attention and moving. You want to. Oop, backline one-shotted. If she casts her ability once, but it sends out multiple, is that still considered a one-shot?
Nah. It's like if you sprayed somebody in the body and got a head tap at the end, you didn't one tap them. You know? That's fair.
But
Right, I'm hearing that.
if you're using like a burst gun and you hit the trigger once, so it's a burst of 3. And that burst kills them, is that not a one tap?
It's not, no.
Why not?
Because if you bulldog one burst somebody, it's a one burst, not a one tap though.
But is that one burst not a one tap for that gun?
I don't think so, no.
Would it not?
I wouldn't say so.
Oh, thanks for that, boy. Strategist acquired.
I just got 2 karmas for free. What the fuck?
Congrats.
What's this? I said
Dragon's
I'm about to
huge.
go to war.
Well, we can just put whatever we want in now. I can just go to 7 Demacia over the next 2 levels, though. Get a 3rd. Okay, you get Boy Jarvan with the 3rd item and get up to 50 of each protection would be great. Pew pew.
I'm literally holding my own, winning fights, and then you just come in and clean up. I love it. It's just nice.
Yeah. I've had the game of games for one of the best comps before they nerf it. 21 refreshes. I'll take that.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the 21 refreshes as well.
I think I'd be greedy. I level up, because refresh is not going to cost me anything here. Just sit here and refresh. Try to get my girl up. Nice.
I'm gonna save some refreshes now. Try to get some money up. Cause I just got a tier 2 Shen. And a tier 2 Karma that I'm not even playing yet. I almost have a tier 2 Sona to send you.
I need that.
Maybe you give me a Gen Daddy?
If I find them, I'm already level 7.
That's true.
I can try to get you Urgots. If that's what you want.
I want a Gen.
I'm seeing a lot of Urgots, though. I mean, I'll look for Jin. I'm down to 2 gold right now.
Yeah, that's why I stopped rerolling, because I knew I was gonna buy shit.
Yeah, it's all the same. I'm greedy.
Not wrong.
And I used all my refreshes. As soon as you hit that last Sona, you're good to send.
If.
When? How many Jins do you need? Need a whole tier 2.
A 2-star?
Found 1. Okay, they still have it in that corner, so I don't need to change anything.
Just keep that 1, because I might need 1 here shortly.
Yep. Just start
I'm
saving
just
up
looking for
now.
that Sony.
Pivot to 8. I need to find a Kale at some point for 7 Demacia.
I might lose this. Yeah, I lose.
How quick? Oh, already?
Very.
Damn. I saw my full team. Which took me a second to pew pew, not pew pew. I hit 8. Damn, they both
I don't
hit.
have items.
6 Deadeye and 8 Challengers. Crazy. They both hit their comps. Good there. Really just need to get another item on Galio. Gonna get health or tier. Health mainly if it's not taken on him. Getting the health is good. I mean, it's either health or tier, and those are the two I want, so... Get the health. There's more options with it. Don't need the Sunfire, but if it comes down to it... Good to be good. Good to good. Second duplicator. Not bad. Almost want to go Yordle for the tier 4. Emo would be good, but 7 Demacia.
Yeah, that's my last refresh.
I spam through mine. Yep, still in that back right corner. All we need.
Oh, shit. That's the whole point of getting that, so I can get that. If I had items on my gen, like, bro, I don't lose, but I couldn't get IE for a long time, bro.
Yeah.
For a long time. Both teams are coming?
Bring them all.
Both close to the same color. I don't know who's who.
True.
Give me one more Sona, please.
Nice, nice. Definitely think I just do that.
I need one gen if you want to send them.
Nice. Emo. Honestly, that's not doing anything for me right now.
I got the Sona for you.
I don't have a third 3-star yet, do I? No, that's Sona. When you give me the Sona, it will be.
Yep.
Oh. Okay. The next round. Be huge. You do not get here in time, sorry.
You don't either. I'd lost. Oh, here you go, Dom. I'm a scuttle already.
Scuttle do go crazy. There we go, that's that, which is a 4-star him. I just got a Heim for free. And we'll go good here. We just play this. Emo Jeweled. And Warmogs. Can we just stay at 5, Demacia? I mean, we could go 7 if I hit 9. That's not a problem. I mean, I really don't need to roll for much else. Honestly, just leveling at this point.
I need one set, bro.
Need a Kale still. Keep my eyes open. Ooh, do I get the Mr. 100 this game? Everybody's 1 HP beside, and I haven't lost yet.
Holy shit. Damn, I lost one fight and through.
You did. 3 components, an Orn item, a legendary, or a Reforger.
Damn, bro. Give me that Orn.
nobody hears. Okay, so there. Everybody is at 1 HP, 1 HP. Wish I could duplicate him, but he's too low. Swap them at the start. Ike, we just swap sides. As I knew I was gonna face you. Not really, but it was a hunch, and it was a good hunch. We go. Lost, lost. This is the last team. Lost. This is Mr. 100 for me.
That's crazy, actually.
Yeah, you trolled. We could have had it.
We could have had
If
it.
you just if you
bro.
just lasted a tiny bit, 1 second longer
Bro,
is all I needed from
fragged
you.
my shit, bro.
And I fragged the other dude. It's literally 1 second longer of lasting. Is all I needed from you.
I don't last that long, man.
Just 1 second. That's not long. That's, if that's crazy. I was over 1.
Almost.
I did everything I could.
too.
True.
Hey, yo, why are you at 15 and I'm at 1? Bro? Come on,
I've been ahead of you though. I mean, you caught up there technically.
No.
No,
No,
I've
you
always
always
been
been 14 ahead of me.
because you were at 7
Yeah.
and I was 21. I'm just 14 ahead of you.